Okay, starting with 11. A group of 52 people attend a ball game. There are 3 times as many children as adults in the group. 3 times as many children. Adults is A. Children is 3A. Set up a system of equations representing the number of adults and children. So C equals 3A. That's one of our equations. The number of adults plus the number of children is 52. That's another equation. Now we're going to use substitution. We're going to take this 3A, put it in place of C. So it says A plus 3A is 52. Pay attention. 4A is 52. We're going to divide. What do you get? 13. So the number of adults are 13. The number of children are 39. 12. The length is 7.8 more than 4 times the width. So there's the width. What are you going to write for the length of that rectangle? W times what? Okay, that's 4 times the width. But there's something else that goes with it. What else goes with it? Plus what? Okay. The next question says the perimeter is 94.6. How do you find the perimeter? Add up all the sides. So W plus 7.8 plus 4W plus W plus 7.8 plus 4W is 94.6. Y'all with me? Collect like terms. How many W's is that in all? Well, yeah, 4 groups. And I have 10. What is 7.8 plus 7.8? I think it's 15.6. Y'all check and be sure. Okay. Subtract the 15.6 from each side. 10W is equal to I didn't hear you. Divide. W is 7.9. Then you got to go back and figure out the length. So it is 7.8 plus 4 times 7.9. Okay. 31.4? 39.4. Okay. Any questions on number 12? 13. Use elimination. Is 13 set up for elimination? Yes. The y's cancel. You get negative 3x equals negative 15. Divide by negative 3, x is 5. If x is 5, 5 minus 4y is negative 7. Negative 4y is negative 12. Y is 3. So the answer is 5, 3. That's a pretty easy one, right? It's all set up for you. What about number 14? Is 14 set up for elimination? What's the strategy on 14? What do y'all want to get rid of? Y. Okay? So do you want to turn them both into 6s? Okay, so this one's got to be multiplied by 2, and this one's got to be multiplied by 3. So this becomes 10x plus 6y is negative 12, and this one becomes 9x minus 6y is 12. And what happens? They do go away. I get 19x is equal to 0. It's okay to equal 0. 0 is a number, and sometimes when you multiply, you get that for an answer. When does that occur? When x is 0. Then plug that back into one of your originals. 0 minus 2y is 4. y is negative 2. So 0, negative 2 is your answer. 15, x minus 3y minus z is negative 9. Negative 2x plus y plus 2z is 3. And 2x plus y plus 3z is 8. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. What's your strategy here? You're going to find equation 4 and find equation 5. So what do y'all plan? Okay, combine 2 and 3. I'm just going to write it right underneath here. This is going to be equation 4. These are gone. This is going to become 2y plus 5z is 11. Now that I've created equation 4 with y and z, I've got to go create equation 5 with y and z. So you have to get rid of x again, and you've got to use a different pair of equations. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it here. After I multiply it by 2, it's going to say 2x minus 6y minus 2z is negative 18. This one stays the same. Negative 2x plus y plus 2z is 3. That's gone, and that's gone. So bonus here, this is negative 5y is equal to negative 15. That's equation 5, but guess what? I'm going to go on and figure out what y equals, and what's it going to equal? 3. Then you can take that right over there. 2 times 3 plus 5z is 11. Subtract the 6. 5z is 5, so z is 1. We'll plug it into equation 1. X minus 3 times 3 minus negative 1 is negative 9. X minus 9 plus 1 is negative 9.
Why is it negative 1?
Oh no, it's supposed to be positive 1. Sorry. Thank you for keeping me straight. So this is supposed to be x minus 10 equals negative 9. Add the 10. X is 1. 1, 3, 1 for 15. Let me make sure that says positive in there. Questions on that one? Okay, 16, the answer is negative 3, negative 7, negative 4. It's worked just like this. Do I need to work that one out for y'all? You want to see it? You good? Can you plug, if you're given if you're given 4 of these, do y'all know how to plug in and find the right answer? Okay. 17. Take your calculator out and turn it on and make sure it goes to inequals. I don't have inequals on this one. I need a calculator with inequals on it. Maybe I got one over here. Okay, inequals is running on this calculator. I'm going to clear this out. 17. I'll put that in the calculator. Here it goes. It says, I'm going to sit on top of the equal sign, and I'm going to choose the right direction, which is this one right here. Alpha right there. And then it's negative 3x minus 1. Y2 is this direction, and it is 3x minus 2. What's the matter? Go to app. Your answer is the double shaded region. Okay? You might need to zoom out to see a better picture of that. I think my calculator was zoomed in actually. So the part that's the answer is the part that's crisscrossed. Okay? This is what the book has here. This is what it looks like here. Any questions on 17? 18, you can't put it all in your calculator. Look at 18. We're going to sketch it on here. X is greater than or equal to negative 2. X is equal to negative 2 right here. And there's that line. And you're shaded this way. The next equation says y is greater than 3. It's a dotted line, and it's shaded here. So the answer to this one is this area that's double shaded. The part that's above 3 and to the right of -2. So it's a rectangular region. 19, let's put that in our calculator. Clear that out. Clear that out. 19, I need a different sign. So that sign. And it says -3x minus 4. And the next one, I need this sign. And it's 1/3 x plus 1. Okay, got it? Number 20, write a second equation for the system so it'll have no solution. Well, you've got to write something like -3x minus 2y equals 5. And you would get 0 equals -3, and that would have no solution. That's all there is to number 20. Is that it? Okay. Number what? 20? You had to make sure that x is canceled and y is canceled, and that when this side comes up to 0, the other side comes up to something other than 0. It has to say 0 equals something. If it says 0 equals 0, it's going to be parallel. So it's got to say 0 equals something else. It doesn't matter what.